In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Minecraft Bedrock on PC. Playing Minecraft Bedrock on your PC is a lot easier you probably think. So let's get right into this. If you already own Minecraft Java, all you need to do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher like this. And on the left side, make sure you select Minecraft. And on the left side, make sure you select Minecraft for Windows. It is also known as Minecraft Bedrock, and press play. However, if you don't have the Minecraft launcher or you don't even own Minecraft Java, here's what you need to do. Open your web browser and search in Minecraft and go to the official Minecraft website. And then on the upper right side, just tap on Get Minecraft and select how do you want to play Minecraft on your computer. When you go and purchase Minecraft, as you can see here, you get a Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for PC for $30. So just go ahead and tap on buy, and what you'll need to do is go and sign in with your Microsoft because that's how Minecraft works. You're basically purchasing it on your Microsoft account. So if you already own Minecraft as well and you've got to migrate it to a Minecraft account, just go and search and open up Microsoft Store. So in here, just go ahead and search Minecraft Launcher. So just go ahead and click that one and download it. So once done, just go ahead and play Minecraft Bedrock on PC. And that's it. That's how to play Minecraft Bedrock on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.